What is going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Been a minute since I made an episode. So before we get started, guys, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, Twitter, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are in the loop. Now, as you guys can see from the title, this video is going to be about the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Mochas. You guys see what I have in hand right now. They're not exactly the Mochas, but you know, they're a pretty big inspiration. So in case you guys don't know, right there, these are the Travis Scott ones, reverse swooshes that came out about a year ago, maybe a year and about a month or two ago. Super huge drop, big game changer. We all know the rest of the history. These are now $1,000 minimum, basically. And these Mochas right here, as we're going to be talking about them, are greatly inspired by these Travis Scotts. Now, before we get even further, make sure you guys like and subscribe the video. Got a lot more cool content coming. We're still out here cooking. So the Jordan 1 Mochas that we see right here that we're going to be talking about in this video are inspired by none other than La Flame's collab. These Jordan 1 Cactus Jacks, reverse swoosh, whatever you want to call it. As you guys can see in the actual photo, the Mocha is a combination of, I'd say 50% Travis Scott 1, especially with the colorway and that nice suede brown material, and, 50%, whatever you want to call it, black toe type deal. Standard Jordan 1 leather, it looks like. Now, the release date on these Mocha 1s is looking like October 31st, 2020. Not too far from here. It's been an anticipated release of mine for a few months now. If I can find a mock-up photo, I'll show you guys the original. If you guys look at the video right now of me, I want to go ahead and show you guys what that actual suede is like. It's a nice suede. As you guys can see, it leaves the fingerprint behind, showing you it's actually like a decent suede. It's not anything trash. So this is really, I wanted to show this clip in particular to give you guys an idea of what the material on the Mocha is going to be, and also why they're going to be fetching the price that they are. So as I mentioned earlier, the release date's looking like end of this October 31st date, just a couple days after your boy's birthday. You know what I'm saying? If you want to bless me with a size 13, I appreciate you. But if not, that's okay too. So again, guys, this is going to be a crazy sneaker. I definitely recommend nobody sleeps on it. I think that price is going to go through the roof for an actual Jordan 1. As we know, ever since that Michael Jordan documentary, The Last Dance this year, prices have skyrocketed on ones. It's like honestly insane. The more that the sneaker culture evolves and reselling gets bigger, more casual sneakerheads and regular sneaker people or fans are just picking up more and more ones. So personally, I think these Mochas are going to be a very good flip. If you choose to sell them, you're going to make money off the bat selling them. And if you choose to keep them on ice for a couple months, you're going to at least double or triple your money, I think. Retail on these is looking like a standard 170, maybe 180 with tax. You might get a little cheaper if you've got like a military discount and whatnot. As far as when and how it's releasing, more than likely it'll be on the foot sites, standard Foot Locker, things like that, sneakers app, but we don't bother. If you're able to hit on sneakers and you find a way that can beat everybody, please let me know, because I've taken too many L's on it. It's one of those things where if it's a sneakers drop, I kind of just give up because we already know how that's going to go. But I want to go ahead and show you guys some of the numbers right now. Most sizes are at least $400 pre-release. You got to remember, we're still about 2-3 weeks away, so those prices are bound to go down a little bit. However, because these are so hyped and because they're made out of a nice suede material, I think that they are going to fetch at least double retail. At the end of the day, come release, I think that these might go for a little over 300, maybe 300 to 400. It just really depends on the total stock available, I would say. That definitely influences it. What I will try to do closer to the actual October 31st release date is come up with a more comprehensive guide of how I plan on copying them and letting you guys know kind of like what your best chances are for this release. The reason why these have a lot of hype, like I said, and like you guys can see in the video, is they look very similar to Travis Scott's Jordan 1. Not everybody was able to hit on them for retail, especially your boy included. But this is called the poor man's Jordan 1 Travis Scott. Poor man's Travis Scott. I can see why, just because of the colorway, the suede material, It's a fire shoe, guys. I called the rookie of the year being the sleeper of the year shoe last year, and it definitely went up in price. I think these are going to be just the same. One of the best releases of the year, if not the best, for Jordan 1. So let me know, guys. What do you think? Personally, I love them. If I can hit on a 13 for the toe, I'm going to keep them just because I haven't been able to really put any new Jordans into my own rotation and inventory. However, guys, I just think that these are too sweet to pass on. I think that if you have the opportunity, you should go for them, if not for your own self, but just to resell, if nothing more, because they're going to be worth some money. So, again, guys, I just wanted to throw a quick little video together showing off, the poor man's Travis Scott Jordan 1. And honestly, I feel like it's a disservice saying that for these Mocha ones because there's nothing not lit about them. I think that the material's great. It's a little bit of both worlds. Can't beat the price. Hopefully easier to cop than the Travis one. So you guys have my opinion. Go for them. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are going to be, putting them on, if you guys are going to sit on them, or if you're going to be reselling them. End of the day, I say resale is going to be 300 to 400 easily, if not more. Over time, they're definitely going to go up, so they are a good investment pair. And I personally hope that I'm able to hit on a couple, one to rock, one to, maybe resell, get my retail back. But otherwise, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for cooking with the kitchen. Please stay safe and make sure you guys like and subscribe the video. Take it easy. Peace.